Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys easy mode setting in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you on your easy mode in your Samsung phone. Guys, you want to on guys easy mode in your Samsung phone, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on easy mode in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to on it. So first of all guys, we will have to on our phone settings. So guys, we will on it. Then guys scroll and guys click on your guys the phone display setting. So I tap here and guys again scroll. Then guys you can see guys your easy mode. So guys tap here. Guys you can see guys your easy mode notification guys you want to read. So you can read. Use a simple home screen layout with bigger on screen items, longer touch and hold directly to prevent. So like that guys you can on guys your easy mode from here guys. And guys you want to off guys your easy mode. So guys you can off from here guys. So like that guys you can on and off your easy mode in your Samsung phone and guys you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off easy mode in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.